I'm here with Donmily here. So this is a box. It has their social media and their name on the front. Yeah, pretty simple. See what's inside. So I have the wig, and we got a little bag here with some goodies. That's it, nothing else is in the box. So let's see what we got. So for today's wig, I got just a wig cap and a headband. So yeah, we have a gorgeous curly headband wig here. These curls are so soft, and I feel like I can officially say my favorite texture to get in a headband wig is a curly texture. I find them to be the most convenient to throw on and go. My favorite kind of wig to wear to the gym, my favorite kind of wig to wear to grocery shopping overall, to just, if errands, then yeah, my favorite kind of wig. You can always style it up as well and go out in it, you know. It's just one of the easier wigs. So you guys know this, you know, it's super beginner friendly. So this is how the inside looks. It has 4 combs in total, and it has the headband portion, which you can adjust to how tight or loose you want it to be. It even has adjustable straps in the back, and it's 24 inches long. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link as well as the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and jump. Oh, by the way, I did get this headband. This is so pretty. I really like the print. It's really nice. So that's everything that came in today's package. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
So it's on, and as you guys know, these videos where I do the headband wigs, they're usually shorter because I mean it's not much to do. Even if you do style it, it's like so quick and easy. And one of my favorite things to do with the headband wig, I could always do a half up half down style so easily. So feel free to explore and do that. You could put it in 2 little ponies here. You could go ahead and even braid it if you wish. So I'm gonna try on these headbands that I got. You know, it's so simple, and more and more I realize that, you know, more people is getting it. You know, older females, like more mature females, you know, people that wouldn't necessarily usually go for a wig because it's just so easy to rock, you know. So this is the first headband that I got in the wig package. And it's a nice cheetah print. So I'm just trying them on both.
Broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Alright guys, so this is a second headband. One thing I can tell you right after taking this out of the package is that it's so soft. It's really soft. Like, I'm not even exaggerate. It's really soft. The curls feel really good. Am I getting shedding? Minimal. I definitely have minimal shedding. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I definitely have minimal shedding from this. So bear that in mind. There is shedding. However, it's really full. It is really full. The ends, you know, you could go ahead and clip off a little bit here if you wish, just to get it super even, but for the most part it looks good. I would definitely recommend it for, you know, the convenience, as I said before, just like I have with a lot of other headband wigs that I have, like showed you guys here on my channel. You know, Donmily, I feel like they did a pretty good job with the construction. You know, the wig construction is pretty standard. It looks good, and as I said before, it's convenient. Super, as you guys know, whenever I do show you a headband wig, it's always categorized as beginner friendly, because I'm yet to come across a headband wig that's difficult to apply. You know, it's like that. And as I say, you could go ahead and feel free to style it all different ways that you wish. So yeah, but yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig video. It's so quick. It's always so quick, super quick. Like, it takes less than 3 minutes to throw on a headband properly. The only thing that might take a little bit more time is to really just do your edges, and that's it. That is really it. So shout out to Donmily again for this gorgeous wig. And guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you into